unboxing of this beautiful little box. It's also from LV. Can you guess what's inside? So I'm sorry, I'm using my left hand to record this video, so I'm gonna use one hand only for unboxing. So this is the receipt that I've got. This is just normal receipt when you bought it in the stores, and then there's also a name business card of the CA, and I think you can already guess it. It's a wallet. Yes, it's a wallet from LV. I think the type of this wallet is Sarah wallet, if I'm not mistaken. And yep, you can see that this is a monogram print with a gold hardware, and there's a beautiful little pocket on the back. I think it's cute because you have this beautiful pocket on the back, so you will have more space to put anything just without opening your wallet. And the good thing about this wallet is actually this wallet has quite a lot of like a magic slots for you to put something in it. So the inside is rose ballerine color. Let me put this aside first. Okay, so it made in Spain, and you'll see that there's so many compartments inside this wallet, and it's a beautiful pink color. There's like one compartment, second compartment, and the third compartment, but actually this is the fourth one, not as big as the previous one, but total there's 4 and there is about 4 slots for card in the front where you can put like your credit cards or maybe your membership card, things like that. And also inside in the front inner side there's about 6 cards slot for you to put in, and on the back you will have another card slot. I think it's also about 6. Yes, it's 6. And then in the middle you've got this beautiful quite bigger compartment. Wait, okay, so you've got this bigger part where you can put a thing, you can put your receipt, and you can put a lot of things inside it, like paper, your notes, or anything. And then this bigger part you can put your money. See, you've got a lot of space in this wallet, which is, I think it's a very good choice for mommy, I guess, because you can fit a lot of stuff in your wallet. And I haven't tried, but I think this wallet can also fit maybe like a small phone, but I don't know. But I'm not gonna recommend for you to put a phone inside your wallet, but yeah, it's a big wallet. See, you've got this beautiful rose ballerine, and then this is the Vuitton what's it? Yep, the back pocket I think is very useful. It's like a if you buy a bag, then you've got this back pocket, it will be very useful for you. See, you can just carry it like that because the size is pretty big. It's like a pouch size. It's a beautiful LV logo. I think it's the size of my hand. That's why I said it's very big. It's a long wallet type of wallet, but I think it's gonna be very useful. So bye. If you like this kind of video, again, please always comment subscribe and like my video, and I'm gonna do more unboxing for you for more stuff that I have. And then also it could be bags or another SLG from several of a luxury brand, which I hope you like this kind of content. And then thank you so much for watching this video. Let's spread some love. Goodbye.